Hi everyone! For today's episode of Getting Healthy with Ms Eney, we are going to learn about healthy food. In this video, you are going to realize the importance of eating healthy food and how the essential nutrients help our body stay strong and healthy. Healthy eating means eating a variety of food that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. Essential nutrients are compounds that the body cannot make or cannot make in sufficient quantity. According to the World Health Organization, these nutrients must come from food and they are vital for disease prevention, growth, and good health. There are 6 essential nutrients that our body needs. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are a primary source of food your body uses for energy. These include simple carbohydrates such as honey, table sugar, and high fructose corn syrup, as well as complex carbohydrates. Complex carbs include starches such as bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes, and dietary fiber found in fruits and vegetables, nuts, and whole grains. Simple carbohydrates are sugars. They are broken down quickly by the body to be used as energy. Here are some examples: donuts, chocolate, cookies, jelly beans. Cake, French fries, honey, cola, ice cream. Complex carbohydrates take longer to digest and are a more stable source of energy than simple carbohydrates. These are some examples: oats, sweet potato, whole wheat bread, brown rice. White potatoes, bananas, chickpeas, buckwheat. What is protein? Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products, though is also present in other sources such as nuts and legumes. Protein provides the building blocks of the body, and not just the muscle. Every cell, from bone to skin to hair, contains protein. Here are some healthy sources of proteins. Chicken, pork, beef, fish, eggs, cheese, tofu, Greek yogurt, milk, nuts, legumes, canned tuna, shrimp. What are fats? Dietary fats are essential to give your body energy and to support cell growth. They also help protect your organs and help keep your body warm. Fats help your body absorb some nutrients and produce important hormones too. Your body definitely needs fat. Including healthy fats in your diet can help you to balance your blood sugar, decrease your risk of heart disease, and improve your brain function. Here are some sources of fats. Avocado, margarine, bacon or fatty meat, butter, dark chocolate, olive oil, coconut, canned sardines. What are minerals? Minerals help your body grow, develop, and stay healthy. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions, from building strong bones to transmitting nerve impulses. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. There are two kinds of minerals, the microminerals and the trace minerals. The macromineral group is made up of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. A trace of something means that there is only a little bit of it. So even though your body needs trace minerals, it needs just a tiny bit of each one. Trace minerals includes iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, cobalt, fluoride, and selenium. a closer look at some of the minerals you get from food. Calcium. Calcium is the top macromineral when it comes to your bones. This mineral helps build strong bones, so you can do everything from standing up straight to scoring that winning goal. It also helps build strong, healthy teeth for chomping on tasty food. Which foods are rich in calcium? Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. Canned salmon and sardines with bones. Leafy green vegetables such as broccoli. Calcium fortified foods from orange juice to cereals and crackers. Iron. The body needs iron to transport oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Your entire body needs oxygen to stay healthy and alive. Iron helps because it's important in the formation of the hemoglobin, which is the part of your red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Which foods are rich in iron? Meat, especially red meat such as beef. Tuna and salmon. Eggs. Beans. Baked potato with skins. Dried fruits like raisins. Leafy green vegetables such as broccoli. Potassium. Potassium keeps your muscles and nervous system working properly. It is an important mineral that functions as an electrolyte. It helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Which foods are rich in potassium? Bananas, tomatoes, potatoes and sweet potatoes with skins, green vegetables such as spinach and broccoli, baked potato with skins, citrus fruits like oranges, low-fat milk and yogurt, legumes such as beans, split peas, and lentils. Zinc. Zinc helps your immune system, which is your body's system for fighting off illnesses and infections. It also helps with cell growth and helps heal wounds such as cuts. Which foods are rich in zinc? Beef, pork, and dark meat chicken. Nuts such as cashews, almonds, and peanuts. Legumes such as beans, split peas, and lentils. What are vitamins? Vitamins are substances that are found in foods we eat. Your body needs them to work properly, so you grow and develop just like you should. When it comes to vitamins, each one has a special role to play. For example, vitamin D in your milk helps your bones. Vitamin A in carrots helps you see at night. Vitamin C in oranges helps your body heal if you get a cut. B vitamins in whole grains help your body make energy from food. To understand more about vitamins, let us watch this video.
A, C, E, D, B, K. No, this isn't some random out-of-order alphabet. These are vitamins. And just like letters build words, they're the building blocks that keep the body running. Vitamins are organic compounds we need to ingest in small amounts to keep functioning. They're the body's builders, defenders, and maintenance workers, helping it to build muscle and bone, make use of nutrients, capture and use energy, and heal wounds. If you need convincing about vitamin value, just consider the plight of olden days sailors who had no access to vitamin-rich fresh produce. They got scurvy. But vitamin C, abundant in fruits and vegetables, was the simple antidote to this disease. While bacteria, fungi, and plants produce their own vitamins, our bodies can't, so we have to get them from other sources. So how does the body get vitamins from out there into here? That's dependent on the form these compounds take. Vitamins come in two types, lipid-soluble and water-soluble, and the difference between them determines how the body transports and stores vitamins and gets rid of the excess. The water-solubles are vitamin C and B complex vitamins that are made up of 8 different types that each do something unique. These are dissolved in the watery parts of fruits, vegetables, and grains, meaning their passage through the body is relatively straightforward. Once inside the system, these foods are digested, and the vitamins within them are taken up directly by the bloodstream. Because blood plasma is water-based, water-soluble vitamins C and B have their transport cut out for them and can move around freely within the body. For lipid-soluble vitamins, dissolved in fat and found in foods like dairy, butter, and oils, this trip into the blood is a little more adventurous. These vitamins make it through the stomach and the intestine, where an acidic substance called bile flows in from the liver, breaking up the fat and preparing it for absorption through the intestinal wall. Because fat-soluble vitamins can't make use of the blood's watery nature, they need something else to move them around. And that comes from proteins that attach to the vitamins and act like couriers, transporting fat solubles into the blood and around the body. So this difference between water or fat-soluble vitamins determines how they get into the blood, but also how they're stored or ejected from the body. The system's ability to circulate water-soluble vitamins in the bloodstream so easily means that most of them can be passed out equally easily via the kidneys. Because of that, most water-soluble vitamins need to be replenished on a daily basis through the food we eat. But fat-soluble vitamins have staying power because they can be packed into the liver and in fat cells. The body treats these parts like a pantry, storing the vitamins there and rationing them out when needed, meaning we shouldn't overload on this type of vitamin because the body is generally well stocked. Once we've figured the logistics of transport and storage, the vitamins are left to do the work they came here to do in the first place. Some, like many of the B-complex vitamins, make up coenzymes, whose job it is to help enzymes release the energy from food. Other B vitamins then help the body to use that energy. From vitamin C, you get the ability to fight infection and make collagen, a kind of tissue that forms bones and teeth and heals wounds. Vitamin A helps make white blood cells, key in the body's defense, helps shape bones, and improves vision by keeping the cells of the eye in check. Vitamin D gathers calcium and phosphorus so we can make bones, and vitamin E works as an antioxidant, getting rid of elements in the body that can damage cells. Finally, from vitamin K, we score the ability to clot blood, since it helps make the proteins that do this job. Without this vitamin variety, humans face deficiencies that cause a range of problems, like fatigue, nerve damage, heart disorders, or diseases like rickets and scurvy. On the other hand, too much of any vitamin can cause toxicity in the body. So there goes the myth that loading yourself with supplements is a great idea. In reality, it's all about getting the balance right and hitting that vitamin jackpot.
Water is defined as an essential nutrient because it is required in amounts that exceed the body's ability to produce it. Overall, about 60% of your body is water. Your brain and heart are about 73% water. Muscles and kidneys about 79%. Your skin is made of 64% water. But the top organ, your lungs, are about 83% water. You can go for days without food, but you cannot last more than a few days without water. Water is absolutely crucial for every system in your body. Remember that you don't have to chug water to stay hydrated. Fruits and vegetables can also be a great source. You are what you eat. The food that you eat affects your health, your energy level, your mood, and even your behavior. If you want to be fit and healthy, you need to eat good food. Let me ask you this question. If your body could talk, what would it say about you?